Okay, shall we start the session? Okay, today we are going to make a flower basket with flowers. Okay, a paper on which we are going to paste our work. Okay, you can choose a white color paper or any light colored paper. You can take your favorite color paper. I am taking an orange color paper. This is for making the flower. So this is an A4 size paper. I am going to fold it into half. Okay. So just keep watching. I am folding it into half. Now you can tear it into two pieces. It into two pieces. Okay. Keep one sheet aside and take only one sheet. Watch how I am going to fold this. Say I am keeping it like this and folding, making the first fold. Now fold once more like this. Again fold once more. Okay, Drupsha, very good. Now watch this. I am going to draw the flower. Okay, see how I am going to draw it. Just draw a V shape like this. Now watch this. 1, 2, 3. Now we will cut it together. So start. This is how you will get. Just separate the petals like this. Just make them separate. Now you take one petal. And hold the scissors like this and move it like this. See? Then it will become a little bit curly. You can do the same on all the petals. Just hold the scissors below the paper like this and pull it like this. Pull the scissors like this. Hold the finger on top, scissors below the paper and pull it like this. Now we will keep it aside. Now you can take another color paper. Okay, I am taking a blue color paper. You can take any other color paper. Or you can use the same color paper also. If you don't have a different color paper, you can use the same color paper also. Okay. Now, again fold it once more. Now, you can fold it once more. See? Now, the folding is here on the downside. I am folding it upside like this. Now I am going to cut it like this. Just keep watching. Okay. You can cut 4 pieces like this. Now take one piece and see, it will be like this. Just hold it like this and cut small strips like this. Don't cut till the end. We need the end like this. Okay. Now we will make the stem. Okay. This also you can keep aside. We will assemble them at the end. So I have taken a green color paper. Those who have green color, you can take that. Otherwise, don't mind. You can take any other color paper. Okay. Now again fold it like this. Take the half sheet. Now you can cut the stems. For cutting the stems, you need only thin strips like this. See, like this. Cut long strips like this. Okay. We will be making 4 flowers. So you need only 4 strips like this. After that, you can take the remaining sheet, fold it like this, again fold it once more, again fold it once more. Okay, on this, Again we are going to draw something. Just watch it. Draw a V shape and draw like this, just as we have drawn the flower, but a little more smaller one. Can you see that? Yes. Now cut it. Okay. Then you will get a number of pieces like this. From this you can take 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Now we need another color paper. This is for making the basket. I have taken a brown color paper. You can take any color paper. Okay. Just take a square piece. Just take a square piece. Watch this. I am folding it like this. On the other side also do the same. Hold the top corner and fold it like this. Okay. And flip it. Turn it on the other side. You will get a basket shape. Now we will do the arranging of flowers. First we will take the stem like this. Get your gums ready, glue ready. Paste them on the paper on which we are going to stick the entire craft. Okay, I will show you. Just do it along with me. I have applied the glue like this. You can paste the stem like this. Okay, first one. Now, after that, you can take the flower petals. Take one petal, stick it like this. You need to apply the glue only on this portion. Okay. Stick it like this. On top of that, you apply the second layer. One more petal you take. On top of that, a little bit downward, paste the second one. Apply some glue on it, on the lower portion. Okay. On the lower portion, apply some glue and paste it under this petals. Okay, like this. Now you can take this one, this green piece, and finally you can place it like this. Just watch carefully. Paste it like this. Like this, paste all the flowers. If you want, you can stick the blue one first. Okay. You can do this way also. You can stick. Then you can stick the orange one. And on top of that, the second orange petal. Okay. Can you do that? Like this, make all the 4 flowers. So flowers are getting ready. Are they beautiful? After doing this, you can paste the flower pot like this. Okay, we have two foldings here. On that, we can apply glue. See, on these foldings, I have applied the glue. Turn it and paste it like this. Okay. Done with this, we can make leaves. Okay. Okay, one more folding. Fold it like this. Again, one more folding. Okay, our folding is here. I am going to draw something. Keep watching. Okay, so this is the folding. I have drawn the leaf here. If this is difficult, you can draw a simple leaf shape also. Just draw a curve like this. Okay, either you can draw like this, or if it is difficult, you can draw like this. Okay, you must be careful. The drawing must be on the folded side, not on the free side, but on the folded side. Now, you can cut that to make the leaves. See, I am going to cut it. You do along with me. Cutting, just open it. You will get nice leaves. 4 leaves you will get. You can arrange it as you wish. I have done like this. Now you can paste it. Just see the arrangement. Just check whether the arrangement is good. And after that, paste it. You can lift this upward like this, isn't it? So lift it and place the leaf there. Like that, paste all the leaves. So before pasting the last one, I am going to do something. Just listen here. Just keep watching. We can decorate this basket. Okay. For that, we can take some other color paper and cut small triangles from that. Just cut small triangles. Okay. Just cut small triangles like this. You can take 1 or 2 different colors. And you can paste it on the basket to make it a little bit more attractive. You can add some more color by pasting. You can take You can use different shapes. Instead of triangle, you can paste circle shape, or you can cut some small pictures and paste that. Whatever you like, you can do. Okay, to decorate the pot. You can try other designs also. Okay. Now, finally, I am going to paste the last leaf. Our flowers and flower pot is ready. So keep on doing, keep on crafting. We will meet again in some other session.